You just landed in Germany with your dreams and nowhere to sleep tonight. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid the housing nightmare that's destroying thousands of student futures every year. Let's go. Here's the truth nobody tells you before you arrive. Germany's student housing crisis is real. We're talking thousands of international students fighting for the same limited rooms in Berlin, Munich, Hamburg, every single semester. High demand, limited supply, brutal competition. If you're coming from abroad, you're already behind. But don't panic, I'm about to show you how to get ahead of the game. When should you start searching? Not when you land. You need to start 2 to 3 months before you arrive in Germany. University dorms, gone in weeks. Shared apartments, snapped up within hours. Every day you wait, hundreds of other students are clicking apply. The early bird doesn't just get the worm here, they get the entire apartment. You have 3 main paths. Choose wisely. Option 1, university dormitories. Affordable, but massive waiting lists. Apply the second you get accepted. Option 2, shared apartments or WG. This is where most students end up. Roommates, shared kitchens, but your best shot at community. Option 3, private apartments. Rare for new students, expensive, and requires German paperwork. Unless you have deep pockets, skip this for now. Dorms and WGs are your battlefield. Now, where do you actually find these places? Bookmark these platforms right now. WG-gesucht.de is the holy grail for shared apartments. Thousands of listings, but you need to be fast. Check it multiple times daily. Facebook housing groups. Search your city plus student housing. Real students, real rooms, but watch for scams. Set phone alerts. The difference between finding a room and sleeping in a hostel is often just 30 minutes. Found a listing? You have 5 minutes to write a message that wins. Make it personal, not "I need a room." Share who you are, what you study, and why you're a great roommate. The fastest, most professional response wins. Let's be real. You're going to hit walls. You will apply to 50 places and hear nothing back. This is normal. It's not personal. It's competition. In Munich or Berlin, one room can get 300 applications. Persistence beats talent when talent doesn't persist. Keep applying. Watch for scams. Never send money before signing a contract or seeing the place. If the rent is suspiciously cheap or they ask for Western Union, run. If you land without a permanent place, you need a bridge. Airbnb, student hostels, or short-term rental sites like Housing Anywhere are your emergency kit. Budget 400 to 800 euro for this temporary phase. It's expensive, but it's insurance for your sanity and your studies. Let's talk costs for 2026. In small cities like Leipzig or Jena, expect 250 to 500 monthly. In big cities like Munich or Berlin, it's 500 to over 900. Pro tip, living 20 minutes by train from campus can save you 200 euro monthly. German public transport is excellent. Use it. Want to guarantee a place? Apply to 10 listings every day. Expand your radius. Create a professional PDF bio with your photo and study details. Join student WhatsApp groups. Sometimes the best rooms never hit public listings. They move through friends. Even basic German in your application helps. You now have the complete playbook. The housing crisis is tough, but you are tougher. Thousands of students find places every semester. You will too. Start your search today. Set those alerts. Write that introduction. Apply with confidence. Your room in Germany is waiting. Go claim it. If this saved you from a housing nightmare, share it. We're stronger when we help each other succeed. Now go get that apartment. Here